Why is toothpaste suddenly trending on every cleaning platform in 2026? Why are millions of people rubbing it on walls, floors, jewelry, and appliances? What did someone discover that's making this simple bathroom product go absolutely viral? I was skeptical too, until I tested it myself. And what happened next completely changed how I look at toothpaste forever. Stay with me, because this viral hack is about to blow your mind. The viral phenomenon nobody saw coming. If you've been on social media lately, you've probably seen it. Video after video of people using toothpaste for everything except brushing their teeth. Removing permanent marker from walls. Making old sneakers look brand new. Restoring cloudy headlights on cars. Getting rid of water rings on furniture. The comment sections are exploding with people saying, "This actually works!" And, "Why didn't I know this before?" But here's what nobody's explaining. Why does toothpaste work so incredibly well for cleaning? What's the science behind this viral sensation? Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. Before I show you exactly what toothpaste can do, let me ask you something. If you're curious about why this hack is going viral and whether it actually works, hit that like button right now. And if you want to stay ahead of trends that are genuinely useful and not just gimmicks, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. Because we're about to discover why toothpaste is the cleaning secret of 2026. Let's dive in. The science behind the magic. Here's what makes toothpaste such an incredible cleaning agent. It contains mild abrasives, typically baking soda or calcium carbonate. These abrasives are gentle enough for your teeth, but effective enough to scrub away stubborn stains and build up on various surfaces. It also contains detergents that break down oils and grime. Plus, many toothpastes have whitening agents that actually bleach stains. So essentially, you're using a combination scrubber, degreaser, and stain remover, all in one tiny tube. But here's the key. Not all toothpaste works the same. The viral hack specifically requires white, non-gel toothpaste. The hacks that actually work. Let me share the most impressive uses I tested. First, removing scuff marks from walls. You know those black marks that appear on white walls and never come off no matter how hard you scrub? Apply a small amount of toothpaste on a damp cloth and rub the mark gently. It disappears like magic. I had scuff marks on my hallway wall for 6 months, 30 seconds with toothpaste, and they were completely gone. Next, cleaning dirty shoe soles and white sneakers. Apply toothpaste to an old toothbrush, scrub the rubber soles or fabric areas, and wipe clean. My white sneakers that looked permanently yellowed came back to brilliant white. Why this is going viral now. So why is this exploding in 2026? I think people are finally waking up to the fact that simple solutions often work better than expensive specialized products. We're tired of being sold 20 different cleaners for 20 different problems when one tube of toothpaste costing 20 rupees can solve most of them. We're craving simplicity in a world that's become unnecessarily complicated. And when something this simple delivers results this dramatic, of course it goes viral. The future of cleaning. What excites me most about this viral phenomenon is where it's leading us. People are now experimenting with other everyday products, discovering hidden uses that companies never advertise. We're building a collective knowledge base of simple, affordable solutions. We're breaking free from the expensive cleaning product trap. And honestly, this is just the beginning. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. And there you have it. The toothpaste cleaning hack that's taking 2026 by storm, and why it actually works. From walls to sneakers, from jewelry to car headlights, one tube solving countless problems. If this video helped you understand why everyone's talking about this hack, hit that like button right now. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on notifications because we're tracking every viral trend and testing what actually works. Share this with anyone who needs to know what toothpaste can really do. Comment below which hack you're trying first. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay curious, stay smart, and never underestimate the power of going viral for the right reasons.